Hey guys, this is Rich from Rich Picks Daily, and huge new IPO just opened up. And I love IPOs because those are new toys to play with. Put it on your watch list, put it on your radar. ZH on the New York Stock Exchange. Kiming's portfolio company, Zuhu, lists on the New York Stock Exchange. This was the big news. Opened up last week with not many people talking about it, so I got to bring it first. Queen Ventures Partners portfolio company, Zuhu, on March 26th Eastern, listed on the New York Stock Exchange. The issue price $9.50, and the stock closed at $8.50 on the first trading day with a market cap of about $4.75 billion. Zuhu is an online Q&A community that has attracted a wide array of content creators. With its product launch in January 2011, Zuhu empowers people to share knowledge, experiences, and insights to find their answers. So I'm not going to go through all the information, but I want to bring this to your attention. We'll take a look at the stock here. Our community saw this come down. So what we did is we waited and we saw it come down, and some of our members got in on the dip right around probably $7. I would say a lot of members got in. It did hit 681, and then it screamed to close the trading day on Friday. So finished at 850, and then it went up even further, 1.88% after hours. So I think, brand new IPO under $10, a lot of people watching. This is one to definitely put on your radar, put on your watch list. Could definitely dip. It dipped before. Some very eager sellers wanted to get out of this trade, but then people started to buy it. So that's very bullish. I like new early stage companies. You can see here, Zuhu sinks after New York Stock Exchange IPO, backed by Alibaba, JD.com, and Tencent. So some big money backing this deal. The company sold 55 million American Depository Shares, ADS, through its offering, which priced at the bottom of $9.50 to $11.50 expected range, despite the fact it's trading at $8.66. So I love deals. This to me looks like a deal. Some top Chinese e-commerce firms also agreed to invest a total of 250 million in the IPO via private placements. For instance, Alibaba, huge affiliate Taobao is buying 100 million of ADS, as is JD.com, symbol JD on the NASDAQ, BABA symbol BABA on the New York Stock Exchange, Units Purus Innovation Limited, Tencent TCEHY, affiliate Image Frame Investments HK Limited is also buying 30 million of ADS, while privately held Lilith Games Lilith Ltd is purchasing 20 million of the shares. Zuhu also granted underwriters to options to buy 8.25 million additional ADS for any allotments. All told, the IPO and private placement will raise 772.5 million or 850.9 million if underwriters exercise all options of the over allotments. What do you think of this IPO? Brand new IPO. We love to bring you the winners, and we love to bring them to you first. Our community is already getting in for the win. We bought the dip, and some already sold the rip. We'll be watching on Monday. This is Rich from Rich Picks Daily. Join the trading club if you want to learn to win. It's your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace. From Rich Picks Daily. Join the club at richpicksdaily.com. In fact, Rich Picks Daily is an amazing place where you can go and learn about trading, both stocks and cryptocurrencies, to be honest with you. And we take a lot of pride in bringing you winners and bringing them to you first. In fact, I believe we do it better than anyone else, and we're going to continue to. So Rich Picks Daily is an online community designed for traders to exchange smart, straightforward, and profitable investment ideas. Join us today. And the website looks like this. Website looks like this. Here it is. So, right, like I said, Rich Picks Daily is an online community designed for traders to exchange smart, straightforward, and profitable investment ideas. Join us today at richpicksdaily.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn useful stock trading secrets and discover the next 10 baggers. You can see club pricing. Just click there. You can be an annual member where you get 2 months free. Or if you want to just try us out monthly, it's $200 a month. And you can see we got our CEO interviews on here for all of our top picks right here listed, and so much more, including an entire education center with our trading strategies, our fully proprietary trading ideas, trading strategies, trading methods, all at the education center. And every week we do 2 videos with live trading where we go over all of our top picks and dip buys and sell zones, buy zones, sell zones. We do it all here at Rich Picks Daily. It's true. Your boy Rich from Rich Picks Daily, and I'm out. Peace. Oh man, we just had this new song. It's epic. Have you guys heard it? You know what? We might as well just play it. We might as well just play it. Let's just do that. Let's play that. Well, you know what? I'm not going to play it, but if you guys go to Rich TV Live, you can see our new song right there called Rich TV Live. Join the Trading Club official music video. We'll be putting together a version of this for Rich Picks Daily as well. Stay tuned. Your boy Rich from Rich Picks Daily, and I'm out. Peace. New IPO dropped, came back, finished in the red. And you know, we love buying red and selling green. It's true. What do you guys think? Comment down below. If you like the video, smash the like button. Comment down below. Share the video everywhere. And subscribe. Remember, Rich Picks Daily is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Do your due diligence. Do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich Picks Daily. But we like it. Let me know what you guys think. Brand new IPO, ZH. I think it goes above 10 plus. Your boy's out. Peace.